Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this very quick video on the NetBeans Chrome connector. This is actually an update video to a previous one I did, which I'll link to at the top up here. And what I've found is that with Apache NetBeans Incubating 10, that this button doesn't work as well as it should once you connect to the system. So if I press that, we should get Chrome open, and if we wait a moment, we get the NetBeans up and running. Now, unfortunately, as you can see, we don't actually have the connector running. So what you can do, there's a couple of things you can do. You can actually click on the connector and click on Debug in NetBeans, and as you can see, it now says we're debugging. We now right click on the page and it says Start Inspect in NetBeans mode, and if we press that, and then you can actually highlight the section. Now, as you can see, I've got this part highlighted. If I now go back in to NetBeans, I'll just move this down, you can actually see that we've got the CSS showing here, and we can actually alter the CSS if we wish on the item. So for example, the font size is 21. If we make it say 16, px, enter, and we go back to this, you'll see that it's actually slightly smaller. Okay, so that's one of the ways you can do it. If I just close that, you'll see it comes off. Now, to make sure it works, you've got to have Chrome set up in NetBeans, and don't use the with NetBeans connector. Okay, don't use that. It has to be just the ordinary device. If you use this, we're finding that there's a big problem. So use the Chrome, the ordinary Chrome without the NetBeans connector, and you can actually do it two ways. You can run and it will start your program. Again, click on the NetBeans connector, click on the debug and start inspect, and as you can see, we now have our connector up and running. Okay, so if I now go to NetBeans, you can see the font size is 63. If I make that smaller, maybe let's just make it 24, press enter, and you'll see it's very much smaller than it was previously. I can then just put it back to 63, px, enter, and you'll see we're back to normal again. There you are. So you can see the NetBeans connector is working. There is one slight problem in that it's not highlighting the particular line in the file. So you'll need to open the file directly and actually do the particular line in the file. That is a small limitation at the moment. Okay, I hope you found that useful. Please comment, like, share and subscribe, as it is very helpful for me, and I'll see you next time.